Right. Miku, I mean, what do you like to have in Telugu or English?
So English is better anyway. At the end of the we'll give interviews only in English only, no? So,
Right, right, right. Okay, then. We will go in English. Right. It depends upon you. Right. Where is text document? Okay.
today, so I'm giving interviews. Manoj, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible. You are audible.
Okay. No,
Right.
because this Geo networks, sometimes it goes on in.
Oh, okay, okay.
Mm,
Right.
mm.
Okay, no worries. See, today is the day one. I will just say something
Okay.
about IT. Okay, because we need to know.
Mm, mm,
I mean, you know that IT will have different types, but we need to know something about it because sometimes they will ask from scratch. Okay, in the interview point of view. Okay, so first of all, IT. In IT, we are going to have three types of companies. Okay, the first one we are going to call it as a product based companies, and the second one we call it as a service based
mm,
companies. Okay, and the third one is both. Both is
mm,
nothing but it is the combination of product
mm,
based plus service based.
mm.
Okay,
Right.
right. So what we are I mean, what if I join in a product based company?
Yeah.
What is going to happen? What if I join in a service based company? What is going to be happen? Okay, right. So
Mm,
product based
mm.
companies are
Okay.
nothing but if any company, so just consider myself, Manoj. So I want to develop a product. Okay, I have a business. Okay, just consider I have a food
Mm,
business. Okay,
mm,
right now I want to
mm,
develop an app. Okay, oh, my own app, not like a Swiggy or something. Okay, my own app. If you want to purchase the food from from my restaurant, you need to download my app only. Okay, from Swiggy or any Zomatos, you can't get it. Okay,
mm,
so for that,
mm,
what I have to do as
mm,
a restaurant owner, I have to consult product based companies. Okay, I cannot go and ask the service based
mm,
companies. Okay, so Manoj,
mm,
how do you find out the product based
mm,
companies? That is a catch, right or wrong?
mm.
How do I know that
Yeah.
this company is a product based company, this company is a service based company? No, okay, I don't know that,
Mm,
but there is a
mm,
something is there. We will learn that thing a little bit forward. Okay, let me teach these things afterwards. We will learn that.
mm,
Okay,
mm.
right. So this product based companies,
Okay.
what this product based companies will do? These product based companies
Mm,
will develop from scratch. Okay, from zero. Okay, if the
okay.
application, there is no
Mm,
application, if you want to develop an application, then we have to go and search the product based companies. We have to give the product to the product based
mm,
companies. Okay, these product based companies
mm,
will develop the
mm,
product. Okay, now after
mm,
developing the product,
mm.
what you have to do? You need to get a service, right or wrong?
Right.
Just consider you have a
Right. Absolutely.
yeah, you have a bank account. Okay, if you have a bank account, if you have money in that, then only the bank can give you the service. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Right.
Absolutely.
So if you don't have an account and you are asking the bank
Mm,
to give me the service, will they give you the service?
mm. Oh,
No, right?
they'll
So
ask
if, yeah,
us to
if,
first open the account.
yes, first
No.
what they will say is first try to open an account. Okay, if you want to take a 1 CR, 1 crore,
Mm,
1 crore of loan, okay, they can't give you because you don't have an
mm,
account. If you have an account, then only they can give you the service. Here also the same thing. If you have a product,
mm,
then only we can get the service. Okay. If you don't have an account, we cannot get this service. Okay, Lokesh?
Mm.
Right. So
Got it. I understood.
yes, initially these product-based companies will do only development. Okay, for our understanding. Okay,
Mm.
for our understanding,
Mm.
these
Mm.
product-based companies will do only development. Okay, after development, for this development, just consider they took from you 20 lakhs. Okay, after developing the product, what you have to do? You need to get some service. For that, you need to go
Right.
and search for service-based companies. Okay, you need
Mm.
to search for service-based companies.
Mm.
Now, what the service-based companies will do? They don't develop anything for you. Okay, they don't develop anything for you. What they will do then? They will, they will ask you the developed product. Okay, they will ask you the developed product. By using
Mm.
that developed
Mm.
product only, they are going to give you the service.
Mm.
Okay,
Right.
understood?
I understood, Manoj.
Yes. You might have some doubts, Manoj. Okay, I got it. So, uh, in 2026, I just developed a
Mm.
product. Okay,
Mm.
so there are lot of new features added in my restaurants. How I have to add those things?
Mm.
Okay, how I have to add those things?
Mm.
In a service-based companies, you said that they are not going to
Mm.
develop anything, right? So how this service-based company will add it,
Exactly.
right? So here the people are
Mm.
not developing anything. Okay, just they are adding the features. Already the product is developed. Okay, but we are going to have a small agreement with them. If any new features are
Mm.
added in my restaurant,
Mm.
okay,
Mm.
you need to add that because everything is there. What you have to do? You have to do some changes. That's it. We do have that agreements in service-based companies. Okay, so this is the
Mm.
small intro
Mm.
about product-based companies and
Understood.
service-based companies. Now you might have some understanding that Manoj, I worked in a product-based
Got
company,
it. Mm.
but in that product-based company, the people are giving service also.
Mm.
Okay, outside people will understand that this is a product-based company, but in that product-based
Exactly.
companies
Mm.
also, we
That
will
is
get some
both development
services.
and business.
Yes, we
Mm.
do get development and service also, but
Right.
here in that companies, the
Right.
development is more and service is less. Okay, in some service-based companies, the service will be more and the development will be less. Okay, based upon their strategies and based upon their how many people are working in their organization. Based on that, it is going to be developed. Understood?
Mm.
Any
I
doubts?
understood. No, Manoj. So far, so
Okay,
good.
okay then. Right. Coming to the third one, it is like a both. What is meant by
Mm.
both, Manoj? Both is
Mm.
nothing but the companies
Mm.
will provide development and service. That is called as both.
Mm.
Okay. We have a lot of
Okay.
companies in India. We call them as the TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, right? So
Mm.
if I want to
Right.
develop a product, what I have to do? I don't need to go for
Mm.
product-based companies first. I don't need to go for service-based companies. Okay, I don't need to go for these two
Mm.
companies first. Okay, I have to go to this third part,
Mm.
both. What these people will do? These people will do development and service with an agreement.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
with a five years of agreement, with a 10 years of agreement, right? They will have a
Mm.
contract and they will do the project for me. Understood?
Mm. Understood, Manoj.
Right. So now what we will do is I want to develop a project. Okay, from this
Mm.
both. Okay, from this company.
Mm.
Okay, for our example, I will take TCS. Okay,
Mm.
because well-known company in India, right? So what I
Mm.
will do, just leave this 20 lakhs. Okay, now we will
Mm.
go into crores. Okay,
Mm.
so now I want to develop a project like Amazon. Can you see my screen? I forgot to
Yes, I
ask you.
can. I'm able to.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I forgot to ask you.
Uh,
So Amazon is there, right? So I want
mm,
to develop a project like this Amazon.
mm,
Okay. So
mm,
it should not be the same. Okay. The UI
mm,
features, everything should not be the same. Okay. If I do like the same, this Amazon will legally files me, right or
mm.
wrong? This person
Exactly.
copied my
Right.
website.
Absolutely.
So that's the reason
Mm,
what we will do, we will have some
mm.
differences. Okay. See, can you see the differences? Right
Yes.
or wrong?
Yes. The look
We have
and
a
feel, the
yes,
UI, everything is different.
yes, UI, everything is same, right?
Mm,
So now
mm.
Amazon can't do any legal actions on me. Okay.
Right.
So like that, what I want to
Mm,
do? So Amazon is there. Now I
mm,
want to develop a
mm,
project called Flipkart. Okay.
mm,
Just consider there is no Flipkart.
mm,
Okay. Manoj is the owner
mm,
of the
mm,
Flipkart. Okay. I want to
mm,
develop a project
mm,
like Flipkart. Now what I will do?
mm,
I will go and consult TCS. Okay. Now what this TCS will do? If I go and ask TCS,
mm,
hey, I want to have a project like this Amazon. Okay. Now, can you develop it? Now the TCS will say that yes, absolutely, we can develop the
mm,
project for you.
mm,
Right or wrong?
mm.
They will definitely
Absolutely.
develop it,
Right.
right?
Uh,
But
right.
they will ask me how you want to develop. Sorry, uh, what are the
Yeah.
strategies you have? Okay,
Mm,
what are your strategies?
mm,
What are your opinions? Okay, how many types
mm.
of modules you want it? You should have some idea, right?
Right. Mm,
Without having any idea, can
mm.
I ask the TCS to develop it? No, TCS
No.
can't develop it. Right or
Mm,
wrong?
mm.
For that reason, what
Right.
I have to do, if I don't have any idea, I have to
Mm,
consult some business analyst. Okay?
mm. Yeah.
Business
Okay.
analysts are well known persons, or else this BA will have
Mm,
they will capture the market conditions. Okay, this BA, what they will do, guys? This BA will
uh,
capture the market. Okay, capture the market in
mm,
the sense they are into the market. If any features
mm,
are getting, I mean, what are the features that needs to be uploaded in Amazon? All the features,
mm,
they have some
mm,
idea. Based on that, they can prepare a documentation for me.
mm,
Okay, they can
mm,
prepare a documentation for me.
mm,
For that reason, what I have to do, I have to concern or concern consult some BA, business analyst. Okay, this
mm, mm,
business analyst will prepare some documentations for me. Okay,
mm,
some
mm.
written documentations that is called as a PDF. Just consider a PDF.
Okay.
Okay, we have a
Mm,
PDF.
mm.
That PDF we are going to call it as BRD, well known documentation. Okay, in
Okay.
IT industry, if any
Mm,
project is there, just to
mm,
consider from DMart.
mm,
Okay, you know DMarts,
mm,
right?
mm.
A small project,
Yes.
just to consider a small
Mm,
mobile gaming app,
mm,
to a well known companies like Walmart's, Amazon, Flipkart's, right? Or any banking platforms,
mm,
a multinational banking platforms.
mm,
From a small app to a big
mm,
apps, we
mm.
should require BRD documentation.
Okay.
Without this documentation,
Uh,
there is no, I mean, I haven't seen up to now a project is developed without this BRD documentation.
okay.
Okay, that
Got
much
it.
important it is. Okay,
Mm,
this
mm.
documentation will be prepared by the business analyst.
Business analyst.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. So Lokesh, do you think I said to business analyst, I want to develop a project like Amazon. Okay.
mm, mm.
Now, business analyst will design by his own.
Based on our requirement, he will design
Yes,
what exactly
based
what we
upon
want.
our requirement. What I need, okay,
Mm,
what I need. Just consider there is a function going on in my house.
mm, mm,
Okay, just consider my marriage is going on. Okay,
mm,
okay. I need to keep some food, right?
mm,
So my relatives will come, so I have to arrange some food for them, right or wrong?
mm,
So I will
right.
consult some catering
Mm,
agency. Now,
mm,
if I give the money of 1 lakh or 2 lakhs,
mm.
okay, it's their wish to give the products, or it's my wish to ask them
It's
whatever I need.
we have to give the catering the order like what we
Yes,
want.
right. So what I
Mm,
want, okay,
mm,
I need
mm,
some items. Those are
mm,
like, I mean, I need some particular items like 20 to
mm,
30 items I require.
mm,
Okay. So I need
mm,
only those items. I don't want any other
mm,
items. Can you
mm,
do it or not? Yes. The customer,
mm.
the catering person will say that, yes, sir, I can do that.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
So for this,
yes.
how many people are attending this function? Right.
Mm,
Or
right.
ceremony.
Mm,
Right.
mm,
So,
mm,
okay, just consider function, no need of ceremony. Okay, how many
mm,
people are attending this function? Okay, so I will say that 500 to 600 people. Okay,
mm,
now based on
mm,
that, he will charge me. Okay,
mm,
I said that
mm,
I need chicken biryani, or I will say that mutton biryani. Okay, what he will say? No, 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 sir,
mm,
I don't cook for you. I will cook for you veg
mm.
biryani. Is that the proper answer?
So he has to do what we require.
Yes, what
Mm,
I require, he has to
mm,
provide it because
right.
I know something, right or wrong?
Mm, right.
Because I went to my brother's
Mm,
marriages, my friends'
mm,
marriages. In that
mm,
marriages, I have eaten something, right or wrong?
mm,
You went to
right.
your friends' marriages, right? So in that marriage,
Mm,
your friend kept mutton biryani. One friend kept like
mm,
chicken biryani, right? So
mm,
like that,
right.
you went to some multiple functions,
Mm,
right? So now it's your turn.
right.
You are going to marriage. I know that you are married. Okay.
Mm.
Are you married or not?
Not yet, Manoj.
Okay.
Yet
So
to.
you want to marry, right? So you have to marry. So
Mm,
in your marriage, what you will do? You can't keep like
mm,
rasam, all these things, right? Rasam, sambar, all these
mm,
things. So you need to have a
mm,
proper authentications. I mean, proper
mm,
well-known foods, right or wrong? So for that, you will give some orders,
mm.
right or wrong? Based upon that orders, he has to prepare it.
Exactly.
Okay, just consider,
Mm,
Manoj, I don't know
right.
anything about it. Okay, I don't know
Mm,
anything about it. So what I have to do, right? So in
mm,
this case, what the
mm,
chef will do is he will
mm,
give you a something we call it as a brochure. Okay, right or wrong? So catering
mm,
brochure will
mm,
be there, right? So sir, we
mm.
will have. I mean, I will
Right.
spend.
Brochure will give
Yes, brochure will be there, right?
brochure
So,
or catalog. Mm.
yes, hey, hey, sir,
Right.
Lokesh sir, I was
Mm,
a specialist in mutton biryani, chicken biryani, right? Some curries, right or
mm,
wrong? So, based on that, you need to pick
right.
some starters, right?
Mm,
Some if you want to keep some
mm, right.
mocktails, right or wrong? So, or any
Mm,
ice
mm,
creams,
mm,
right? Some main
mm,
courses, right?
right.
All these things you will decide something.
Mm,
Or else, if you are,
right.
I mean, if your wish list is not good, what this customer will do,
Mm,
he will try to give you some idea about it.
mm,
Sir, you should not keep these items because this is not the
mm,
proper way. This is not the correct order to keep all these things. Right or wrong? He will give some suggestions, right?
right. Right.
Right. Based on that suggestions, you will get some final outputs,
Mm,
right?
mm,
After the quotation,
exactly.
something blah 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 will be there. Okay, that is going to be the
Mm,
next
mm,
part. So now you got the idea. If you have idea, you will give suggestions. If you don't have
mm,
idea, he will give you the suggestions. Based on that
mm.
suggestions, you need to get some agreement on it. Right or wrong?
Agreement. Right.
Right.
Absolutely. Right.
Right. Here also the same thing. If you know
Mm,
something, you will give suggestions to
mm,
the business analyst. I need my project like this.
mm,
If you don't have any idea, business analyst will give you some idea.
mm,
Based on that, if you want to add something, you can add it.
Mm.
right? So now,
Right.
based upon our requirements, business analyst will create a document that is called as BRD
Mm.
documentation. Okay, that is nothing but business requirement documentation.
Documentation. Got
Okay,
it.
business
Mm.
requirement document, BRD document.
Mm.
Okay, just consider that document is around 500 pages. Okay, now what this business analyst will do, this business analyst will take these documentations to multiple companies. Okay, Lokesh? Hello? Lokesh, can you hear me?
Mm.
Hello?
Manoj, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear
Hello,
you.
Manoj?
Yeah, I can hear
Manoj, can
you.
you hear me? I can hear you, Manoj.
Okay, okay then. Okay,
Can
right.
you? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say is
Some
this.
network issues, Manoj. Go ahead. I can hear
Oh,
you.
okay,
I
okay,
can hear you. Uh,
okay then. Right, right.
mm.
So what this business analyst will do is this business analyst will take this
Mm.
documentation to multiple companies. So in India, we don't have only TCS, we have multiple companies, right or wrong?
Right.
Right. So now what
We
I'm
have
doing
multiple
is,
companies. Yes.
yes, now I'm going to TCS, and what I'm doing is I'm showcasing this BRD documentations to the TCS. Okay. So now I'm asking TCS to give the quotation for it. So in
Mm.
how many
Mm.
crores you can complete this project, right or wrong?
Mm.
So before
Mm.
that, I should
Right.
have some idea. So I have some 100
Mm.
crores. Okay, I have 100
Mm.
crores. My
Mm.
maximum amount is 100 crores. If I want to keep
Mm.
101 crores, I need to borrow 1 crore extra. Right or wrong?
Right.
My father gave
Right.
me
Right.
only 100 crores. I have to
Mm.
get a project in my hands in 100 crores. I don't have 101 crores. For that, what I'm doing
Mm.
is I need a particular person, a particular company who can complete my project in 100 crores or under 100 crores. Okay. If it
Right.
is more than that,
Mm.
that is my out of
Mm.
budget. So that's the reason I'm asking, I'm
Mm.
going for multiple companies. Okay. So my business analyst went to TCS and he showcased the
Mm.
product. Now, what this TCS
Mm.
is doing, now TCS will go through the documentation part, okay, BRD documentation, and now this TCS will give some quotation. Now, TCS said
Right.
that 150 crores. Can we give the project to TCS?
No, we look for other competitors.
No, I mean, I need to bargain something, right? If you go to market and if you
We
want to
should-
buy mangoes, so if he says
mm.
10,000 rupees for 10 mangoes, would you like to buy it? No, right?
We'll bargain.
We will
Right.
bargain.
This way.
Definitely, we will bargain, right?
Uh,
So, I mean, 10
mm.
mangoes, 10,000 rupees, it doesn't happen. Just in a case, I'm saying it. Okay. What you will do? You will
Mm.
try to
Mm.
bargain it, right or wrong. So, here also the same
Mm. Mm.
situations, right? We
Mm.
try to negotiate here. Okay. What
Mm.
we will do is,
Mm.
I'm having
Right.
100 crores. You say that one, right?
Mm.
My maximum budget is how much?
Budget is 100 crores.
Okay, then. We will go back to some 2019 or 2018, our engineering days. Okay, 2015 or 2000.
Uh,
Okay, so your mother gave
uh,
you 100 rupees. Sorry, 500
mm.
rupees. Okay,
Mm.
and your mother
Mm.
asked you to bring some. I will write it here. Okay,
Mm.
so your mother gave you 500 rupees.
Mm.
Okay, and your mother asked
Mm.
to
Mm.
bring 12 apples. Okay,
Mm.
now you went into the
Mm.
market and you are searching for the apples.
Mm.
Okay, so now one
Mm.
vendor, the
Mm.
first vendor Says that, sir, in my I have a plus quality of apples, so 12 apples is 500
Mm.
rupees. What you will do?
Mm. I'll still try to negotiate, but that is my budget and is able to give it.
Right, right or wrong? So what I
Mm.
do is, so in my
Right.
case, what I did is my mother gave me, just consider, my mother gave me 200 rupees,
Mm.
sorry, 500 rupees, and bring
Mm.
12 apples, one dozen
Mm.
of apples. So
Apples.
500 rupees, I got it. I got the best price. I
Mm.
have the same thing. But
Uh,
what I did in my engineering days,
mm.
I need to save some money,
Mm.
right? I need to
Right.
bargain. I need to
Mm.
negotiate with him. What I will do
Mm.
is, no, 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 no. I will
Mm.
give you 350 rupees, right?
Mm.
What he will do? No, sir,
Right.
I can't give you
Mm.
that much. I can go for 450 rupees,
400.
right? So I will say that, no, 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 I will increase
Right.
20 rupees extra, 370 rupees. I
Mm.
can't give you 450.
Uh,
What he will say? 420,
uh,
sir. At
uh,
around,
mm.
we will both met at 400 rupees. Right or wrong?
400. Exactly.
Now what I will
Right.
do, I will
Right.
go home and I will say that this is 500 rupees. I will save 100 rupees.
Mm.
Right? I did the same thing. In my
Yes.
at that time I did the same thing. Okay? So here also the same
Uh,
thing.
mm.
Negotiation part will be there.
Yes. Yes.
Okay? What I have to
Mm.
do, if I have a 100
Yes.
CR,
Yes.
I can't say I have a 100 CR, I will give
Mm.
you for 100 CR. No, what we have to do, we have to negotiate
Mm.
for, I have a 70,
Mm.
I can give you maximum 70. That is not fair enough.
Mm.
Now, what TCS will do? No, sir,
Mm.
we will go for 140. Okay? This type of
Mm.
negotiation will happen, and at a certain price, TCS will do some maximum
Mm.
range. So 125 is our maximum. Beyond this, I can't. I mean,
Mm.
I cannot come down from this 125. I cannot come down for
Mm.
124. Okay.
Mm.
Now what I have to do?
Mm.
I cannot borrow 25 crores from my father. Right or wrong? I cannot go back to my father and I say, Dad, I need an extra 25 crores. Right or
Mm.
wrong? So what I have to do? I have to
Absolutely,
skip
Manoj.
this.
Right.
Yes, I have to skip TCS. What I will do?
Mm.
I will go for another
Mm.
company.
Look for other Wipro.
Yes.
Mm.
Now, what this company will do? Same thing will be repeated.
Mm.
BRD I will hand out the BRD documentation.
Exactly.
Yes, they will go through the BRD
Uh,
documentation. They will go for some
mm.
negotiation. Everything will be done. So they quoted it for again
Mm.
140. Okay, and the
Mm.
negotiation part has been done. Their final
Mm.
price is 120. So I don't have
Mm.
120. So I go for
Mm.
some other company, Cap Gemini. Okay, I went for Capgemini. Okay. So what this Capgemini is doing? Capgemini said around 200 crores. Okay. 200 crores Capgemini is asked. So my limit is 100 crores. Right or wrong? So Capgemini can't commit. Right or wrong? So that's the reason I'm skipping Capgemini. Okay. Some Infosys. Okay. I went to Infosys. Now Infosys is quoted for 130 crores. Okay. In that 130, they came to
Yes.
100 crores. Can I give to you Infosys?
Mm. Yes. So
I
it is
can give
under my budget.
under my budget,
Mm.
right? So now, okay, Infosys is a
Mm.
very good company. So what I will do? So
Mm.
I want to check some other companies
Mm.
also because there are some more companies. So I want to save some money, right?
Mm.
So I went to Accenture.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
I went to Accenture, and now straight away Accenture won't ask me, right? Hey, what's your budget, right?
Mm.
So I need to ask
Mm.
Accenture, what's your budget? Now Accenture straight away said
Right.
that our budget is 100 crores, right? So
Mm.
now I want to negotiate it here.
Mm.
Straight away I said that
Mm.
my budget is 60 crores, right? Now at around in a discussion 80 crores, okay, don't go that much, 85 crores. right? Now, where I have to give my project, Infosys or Accenture?
Accenture.
Accenture. Now, some
Accenture.
XYZ company also came
Mm,
into the quotation part. Okay. Now, XYZ
mm,
company
mm,
straight away they quoted it for 75 crores. Okay. And
mm,
I did some negotiation
mm,
with the XYZ company, and XYZ company
mm,
asked for 50 crores. Okay. The
mm,
final price is 50 crores. They had agreed for it to complete my project for 5 years of contract. Okay. 100 crores
mm, mm,
development
mm,
and 5 years of
mm. Service.
service. For both,
Service.
XYZ company agreed for 50 crores, and the same thing, 85
Okay.
years, Accenture also agreed it.
Mm,
Okay. To which company I have to give it?
yeah.
If I give to XYZ company, I
Ex-
can save 50 crores. If I give
50
Accenture,
crores, right?
if I give my
Uh,
project to Accenture, I can save 15 crores. So which company I have to give it?
15 crores, exactly. Mm. XYZ is better.
XYZ is better. Right or wrong?
Mm,
Right.
absolutely.
Right. So now what I'm trying to say is same Apple example.
Mm.
Okay. Did you heard about some of
Um,
the people are using wax on the apples to get a shiny part? Have you
yes,
seen that?
yes, yes,
Right. So
yes,
now
yes, Manoj,
the
yes.
first vendor is having good apples. He has
Mm.
said you to give 400 rupees.
400. Uh, uh,
Okay. Now second
mm,
vendor is having apples, same
mm,
apples. Okay. Give me a second.
mm.
Naya. ఇస్తున్నా ఒక్క నిమిషం. I'm sorry, it's my brother. Okay, right. So
It's
now
okay, no problem.
what the second vendor is saying is, hey, I will give you for 250 rupees. What you will
Ah,
do? As per your thinking, you will go for 250 rupees. Right or wrong?
right,
But
right.
this 250 rupees, if you touch the apple, that apple is not
Mm,
good. Okay?
mm,
That
okay.
apples are not good. Okay?
Mm,
Now
mm.
400 rupees apples are good. If you
Ah,
give your 250 rupees to the second vendor,
mm,
definitely
mm,
your mom will scold you, right?
mm.
Why?
Right,
You cannot eat those 12 apples
right.
because each
Quality is
and
not good.
every apple is spoiled. There is no good
Right,
quality in that product.
right.
Manoj, I don't know about the vendor one and I don't know anything about the vendor two. How do I know it? Right? It's just an
Mm,
apple. It's just an
mm,
apple. You are not checking
mm.
the vendors, the quality of the vendors. But here
Right.
you are giving your project of around 100 crores rupees of project. Okay.
Uh,
For that, what you have to do, you
mm,
have to check the company reputation. Okay.
exactly. Mm,
Recently, 4 months back, we had a project. Okay.
mm,
We had a
mm,
project. Okay.
mm,
Now, what we have done is, so not in my company, every company will do the same thing. Okay.
mm,
We had a 100 percentage of project. Now, what we have done is we splitted
mm,
that project and we have given
mm,
that project to another company also.
mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Just consider we have taken that project for 100 crores. Okay.
Okay.
And 50
Mm,
percentage of project we are doing it,
mm,
and another 50 percentage of project we have given to subcontract
mm. Okay.
subcontract to another companies.
Mm,
Have you heard something like a small company is there? Okay. Some X
mm,
company is
mm,
there, and X company is
mm.
working for TCS. Okay, in that X company there is
Mm.
only 50 employees are there, or 100 employees only is there,
Okay.
but this
Uh,
X company is working for TCS.
mm.
How
Mm.
this X company is working for TCS? This TCS is giving sublease, subcontract
Mm.
to the X company.
Wow.
Okay,
Okay.
now just consider
Okay.
that 50 percentage, remaining 50 percentage, TCS has given to X company. Okay,
Mm.
50 percentage work is done by TCS, and
Mm.
remaining 50 percentage work will be done by X company.
Ex company. Okay.
Okay, now for 50 percentage, how much TCS will keep? 50 crores.
Equals. Mm.
Now, do you think remaining 50 crores will be given to X company?
They'll give some margin, less margin only. They'll keep
Yes.
their margin.
Just consider
Mm.
they have given 35 crores. Okay. And remaining 55 crores, TCS
It
will
will be
keep
with
in their
TCS.
pocket.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, this
Uh,
is how the companies will work. My company also will
mm.
do the same thing, same process.
Mm.
And we have given some subcontracts to small companies. Okay, we
Mm.
shared the
Mm.
project. Okay, so I'm
Mm.
working one of the project as a scrum master.
Mm.
Okay, like that. Okay, now come back here. So if you take the apples from this vendor, your mom will definitely scold you, because you have to feel the apple before buying it. You
Mm.
have to feel the apple, right or wrong? If you find
Right.
any specific areas the apple is not good, right,
Mm.
you should not pick that
Mm.
apple, right or wrong? If you want to buy a
Mm.
mangoes,
Right.
right now the mango season is there, right, what you will do, you will touch
Mm.
and feel the mango, right?
Mm.
Is it good or not? If it is not good, you are
Right.
not going to pick that apple, right? Sorry,
Mm.
mango.
Right.
So
Mm.
like that here also the same thing. Manoj, here we cannot touch the project, right? In that cases, what we have to do, we have to check the company reputation, how big it is, how many project this company has done, right or wrong, what's the market
Yes.
value. We have to check each
Yes.
and everything, and we have to give the project.
Mm.
Manoj,
Right.
I mean, just consider, Manoj, I'm saving 50 crores, right or wrong, I'm saving 50 crores.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. If you give
Mm.
50 crores to these XYZ companies, okay, what they will do,
Mm.
one
Mm.
fine day they will say that we cannot complete the project because we have done some wrong
Mm.
estimations. Okay, we cannot
Mm.
complete the project. They will turn off the board. Okay, they will raise their hands, we cannot complete it. Okay, in that case,
Mm.
you
Mm.
will lose 50 crores, and remaining extra,
Mm.
if you give that project to another company, if they want to handle that, they
Mm.
will say that some extra also. They will say that we will
Mm.
charge 80 crores or any something like that. Okay, then you will get to
Mm. Mm.
loss of another 50 crores. Okay,
Yes.
so that's the reason what you have to
Yes.
do, you have to go for some
Mm.
reputation companies. Okay, so that reputation will be around 85 crores. Okay, that company you are going to provide for 85 crores, right or wrong? You should not do these
Right.
mistakes,
Absolutely.
right?
Mm.
So now
Mm.
you have given an agreement, you have done an agreement with Accenture for
Mm.
85 crores. Okay, a time period of 5 years. Okay,
Mm.
understood? Okay,
I understood, Manoj.
yes, let me remove this and let me keep Accenture.
Accenture. Okay.
Okay, 5 years of contract. Okay,
Mm.
I usually
Mm.
say this
Mm.
example only because I don't want to
Mm.
confuse all the people. 5 years
Mm.
contract,
Right,
85
Manoj.
crores.
Mm.
Right. So
Mm.
now
Mm.
you have agreed to give BRD documentation to Accenture. Right?
Accenture.
Right.
Right.
Now
Mm. Mm.
Accenture, to read this 500 pages, okay, how many
Mm.
days will take for, I mean, if I give this documentation to you, in how many days will
Mm.
you complete this documentation and you understand this documentation? In how many days you can understand this documentation?
Probably in a week or two.
In a week, can you understand the 500 pages? You can complete all the 500 pages?
No, at least just to go have a idea, but it takes time. Probably a month or so at least is needed.
Yes, if I give this documentation to developers and testers, ultimately, if you want to develop a project, developers and testers has to involve, right or wrong?
Right, right,
Majorly,
right.
these developers and testers has to understand this 500 pages. Okay. Now, if I give this documentation, these developers and testers will understand this. They will take around
Mm.
4 to 5 months.
Okay.
Okay. In our
Okay.
5 years of contract for
Uh,
development, we will take at least 2 years. Okay.
okay.
So if in
Uh-huh.
that 5 years, if they took 6 months, just consider 6 months to
Uh,
understand the project, it is not the good
uh,
way. Okay.
right.
For that reason, what we will do
Right.
is after after when we receive the BRD documentation, okay, this BRD
Mm.
documentation will be handed over to system architects. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
system architects. Okay, just consider you have a
Mm.
500 square feet of land or 1,000 square feet of land.
Mm.
What you will do?
Mm.
You have some idea about how to
Mm.
construct it, right? So, if
Yes.
you have an
Mm.
idea, can you construct the house?
Yes.
No, you cannot construct the house. You need a proper
No, I have
documentation.
an idea, but I'll be able to, oh, yeah, I'll be able to tell what is required.
Yes, what is
My ideas I
required?
can put it across.
Yes, that
Mm.
ideas you have to share to system
Mm.
architects.
System
That I
architect, yes.
yes,
Okay.
that sorry, architect will
Mm.
be there, right? Our
Mm.
house constructions designs will be given by the architects, right?
Architect, yes. Mm.
Now we have only the
Yes.
documentation part.
Mm.
Okay, just consider this is a Bhagavad Gita.
Mm.
There is no
Mm.
images. Okay, there is no images.
Mm.
Okay, there
Mm.
is no images. Just
Mm.
we have a Bhagavad Gita of
Mm.
500 pages. Or just consider
Okay.
it's a dictionary with no images.
Mm.
Now,
Mm.
or else just consider I have seen a movie. Okay, just
Mm.
consider
Mm.
some Prabhas movie, Bahubali. Okay,
Mm.
today the
Mm.
movie was released
Mm.
and I seen that movie. Tomorrow I came to you and I was
Mm.
trying to explain to you. You can
Mm.
understand the document.
Mm.
So whatever I'm
Mm.
saying, you
Mm.
can understand.
Mm.
But can
Mm.
you visualize that?
Not exactly.
No, right?
But whatever you say, I'll be
No, you
able to do
cannot.
it.
Yes,
Mm.
you can understand it, but you cannot visualize it.
Mm.
If you
Visualize.
visualize
Yes,
it,
exactly. Mm.
yes, if you visualize
Mm.
it will be very easy to understand, right or wrong? Now
Mm.
I have a
Yes, yes.
1,000 square feet of land. Now this
Mm.
business analyst is explaining to me this should be here, this should be here. Okay, like 5 to 6
Mm.
6 hours is explaining to me. I can understand like one
Mm.
hour or 2 hours, right? After remaining 4 hours, it will
Mm.
be
Mm. Right.
vanished. I cannot
Mm.
understand. For
Mm.
that reason, what I'm
Mm.
going to do is
Right.
I'm going to give the documentation to the architect. Now that this architect will go through the documentation part and he will reduce the content here, and that content will be
Mm.
visualized in a diagrammatical way. So if you see the diagram, it will be very easy for you
Mm.
to understand. If you
Easy.
see the
Right.
movie,
Visualization.
if you see the movie,
Yes.
it will be very easy for
Mm.
you. Okay, just consider like
Yes.
this.
Got it.
So you don't have
Mm.
money right now. Okay, in your pocket there is no money with you. Okay, so this is our engineering days. Okay, this is your engineering
Mm.
days.
Mm.
So your friend went to Bahubali movie and he saw that and he
Mm.
explained to you pin to pin point.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
now what you will do?
Mm.
You
Mm.
go to another friend and you will say that hey, I went to Bahubali movie. Okay, and that friend also went to Bahubali movie. But what he will do? Hey, can you explain me?
Mm.
You cannot
Mm.
explain the things, right?
Explain the movie. Right. Exactly.
Yes,
Right.
if you see it, you can explain clearly. If you
Right.
don't see that, you cannot explain that clearly. In that cases, what we are going to do is, in that cases, it's going to be a very headache for us, right? So the
Exactly.
visualization
Right.
will be, it's not be the proper way to explain the terms, right or wrong?
Right, Manoj.
Right. For that reason, what we have to do is we have to
Mm.
visualize the things. For that reason, what we have to do is we need to have a proper documentation part, right? So that
Right.
documentation part, we are going to call it as a FRD documentation.
FRD, functional requirement document.
Yeah, we are
Okay.
going to call it as a functional
Mm.
requirement documentation. This functional
Yes.
requirement documentation will have
Mm.
the clear understanding and the clear note of it. Okay,
Okay.
this
Got it.
documentation will have the clear documentation part, and let me show you that
Mm.
documentation how it looks like. Let me
Mm.
show you this. Where it is, I kept it somewhere. Yeah, this is like a Amazon FRD. So how
Mm.
it's look like? So just I will show you now a small brief. Okay.
Mm. Okay. Okay.
So
Mm.
see, this is like a small what we can say UML diagrams, or else just consider a flow diagrams.
Flow diagram, flow chart. Okay.
Yes, flow charts, right? So based
Mm.
on this,
Mm.
we are going to understand very easily. So for this, what we are going to do is
Mm.
just consider this is the home page of Amazon, right?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So just consider this is the homepage of an Amazon. So if you try to
Mm.
understand, so this homepage will be 10 pages for you. Okay.
Mm.
In the BRD
Mm.
documentation, 10 pages will be there.
Mm.
But
Okay.
if I give you
Mm.
this diagram, who will understand this
Mm.
diagram? Developers will easily understand these diagrams.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If I give this diagram, they can easily get it
Yes.
because they are going to
Mm.
develop this type of things very easily. Just give a small brief to them.
Mm.
They will easily understand, they will
Mm.
easily develop it. Okay. So
Mm.
that's how
Mm.
will be. I will
Mm.
share this documentations, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So
Manoj, okay,
now
Manoj.
that
Mm.
home page will be reduced, and that home page, like all the pages will be there, right? So if you go here, so this fashion is one module, mobiles is one module,
Mm.
beauty is
Mm.
one module, right? We are going to develop
Mm.
these all
Mm.
these things modules, right, in
Mm.
this FRD
Mm.
documentation. Okay, everything will be
Mm.
kept under 200 pages. Now
Mm.
these 200
Mm.
pages will be given to the
Mm.
developers. Understood?
Mm. Got it.
Okay. Now these developers
Mm.
will understand it. This 200 pages will take
Mm.
around 1 month. Okay.
Mm.
Because we have
Okay.
here
Okay.
visualization.
Mm.
Here we don't have any visualization.
Mm.
Understood? So that is the main
I
case.
understand.
Yes, that is the main thing uh,
Mm.
to understand. I mean, to get to know about it. Okay. Right. Any doubts up to here?
No, Manoj, very clear.
Right.
So
So,
you explained me extremely well. I understood each and everything. Mm.
right. Okay. So
Mm.
that's it for
Mm.
today. So tomorrow I will
Yes.
teach you what are these two things.
Mm.
Okay. It will take 3 to 4 days. Okay. I mean, 2 to 3 days.
Sure, Manoj.
Okay. Before that,
Okay.
we need
Okay,
to
Manoj.
understand some part about waterfall and agile.
Okay. Okay. Got it,
Okay.
Manoj.
Right. We will understand
Got it,
those things
Manoj.
by tomorrow. Okay.